Hey guys, I'm Vlad and I'm the guy that you've probably seen around. So here I am. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about my 1999 GMC Sierra. Now my GMC Sierra, I've been wanting to do a sunroof video and I've been wanting to install a sunroof in that truck. Now let me tell you a little bit about that project. Most of the guys you see on YouTube, they don't want to tell you where they got the sunroof, what they removed it out of, what tools did they use. In this series I'm gonna tell you step by step how to remove it, how to find the vehicle, which vehicle to pull a good sunroof from, and how to install it. Now this is gonna be a series and this is part one. Now in part one we had to get a piece of the headliner. Now why do we need a piece of the headliner? Because the headliner is a crucial thing to our swap. So the headliner is needed so that way we can later use it as a template for our location of our sunroof. So that way it comes out perfect as it's intended for the sunroof. Now in the sunroof, Now the sunroof is a crucial piece to the sunroof swap. Without one, you obviously cannot do it. So this sunroof right here is a power sunroof. Now, it has the mechanism right here. It has the sliders right here and right here. And it has bolt holes right here, and along here, and along here. Okay, now let me show you how this is being installed. This, you just cut a hole and you put it in. But as you can see, what holds it in is there's a little rubber strip. Show you how I've pulled this piece. Now this is the underside of the sunroof, and you can tell that it has a power motor on it. Now this power motor moves the sunroof in and out. Now the sunroof right here has drains up here and down here. Now these drains are very important to the sunroof because when the water comes in, it catches in these drip rails and it is able to flow right out. Now the sunroof is out of a 2004 Land Rover Discovery, and it also has clips here as sliders for covers for your sunroof. Now this is a really nice sunroof and it's so universal. You can literally get the sunroof for $50 at your local yard, and also it is easy to remove and easy to install. Now if you follow along, I will tell you how to do this. Now guys, if you like my videos, please like them and share them, because a lot of people need to know how to install their sunroof in their GMC truck.